Today we're going to be doing an upper body workout using resistance bands. So if that sounds good to you, hit that like button for me to let me know you want more workouts like this where we're using bands to work out. We're going to start by working the bicep. For the bicep, very important thing, you want to step in the middle of the band and step 1 foot out towards the front. Now what that's going to do is it's going to put tension through the band at the bottom of the movement. I want to make sure I'm leaned back enough where I have tension in that band even when my arms are straight. So I'm going to take a large step forward and then lean back slightly so I can feel that band pulling me down. So from here, I'm going to bring the band with the handles up to the front of my shoulders and then back out to completely almost straight. So that lower part of the movement is actually the most important part of this exercise. You might need to wrap the band once around your foot to get enough tension. You want to make sure that there's tension at the bottom part of that movement though. That's the one thing with bands that you can mess up, is if it goes slack, where you lose all that tension, you're not building the muscle in the most effective part of the movement. Something I messed up a lot with this exercise when I first started out, I'd anchor the band like this, where I'd lose all tension at the bottom of the movement. Bands can be a really effective way of building muscle, but you have to set them up correctly where you are getting good tension through the exercise. They've been shown to be just as effective as long as they are adjusted so they have the same amount of load as a dumbbell or a barbell weight. Now, we're going to work the tricep muscle in the back of the arm with an overhead tricep extension. So I'm stepping on one end of the resistance band and then bring my hand right behind my head. From here, I'm gonna straighten my elbow, pointing my hand up at the ceiling. Now I'm not grabbing the handle, I'm grabbing the fabric part of the band because it's a bit more comfortable to hang on to. And then pulling up to the ceiling. I should feel that right back here in the back of my arm, tensioning through that tricep, that big piece of muscle in the back of your arm. I'm trying to go all the way down to where my elbow is fully bent. Now it should feel tension all the way through that. If you don't feel like the band's pulling you all the way down, step a little bit higher onto the band so you have a little bit more tension. So now we're going to do a lateral raise. For this one, I like to attach it to a pole or something stable. So you're gonna have the band right behind your back. Here, lifting up to the side and then back down, all the way down to your side. Now, I like putting it behind your back because it stops me from being able to cheat by bringing the band forward where I'm using that anterior deltoid. I'm using much more of that middle deltoid by bringing my hand behind my back. So this is a great exercise variation to do for that middle deltoid right here in the side of your arm. If you want to work your shoulders, this is a great way of doing it. The thing to watch out for is don't lift from your shoulder, from your traps up here, your shoulder neck area. It's all from down here in your shoulder. If you want to be here live, I host these live streams on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific time. Hope to see you there.